We are Xiaomi global distributor. We supply with Xiaomi global version products and China version global products. We have almost 10 years of global trading experience since 2010. We accept small order, sample order, global sending package. We have almost 10 years of global sending experience since 2010. Here are Xiaomi flagship smartphone in 2020. A very hot model, Redmi Note 9s. Let's continue to review it. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of all Xiaomi global version smartphones and China version global smartphones, you can contact with us. Okay, now let's continue to review the smartphone. Redmi Note 9s. Released on 2020 March. 6.67 inch IPS LCD display. (20:9) radio, 2400 pixels by 1080 pixels. It's from Embed glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. The display supports HDR10, Android 10 operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G octa-core, 2.3 GHz. The phone supports dual nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card, Type-C USB port and headphone jack. Here is infrared port. Here's fingerprint and power on off button. All Google applications. About phone. All language menus. The phone have gray color, blue color, and white color, 3 colors to choose. Its front camera is 16 megapixel f2.5 aperture, and its main camera are 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture. Eight megapixel f2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel f2.4 aperture with LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 5020 mAh battery built-in and supports 18 watt 9 volt 2 ampere fast charging. It supports fingerprint, FM radio, infrared port, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BTS, Bluetooth 5.0. Let's test its camera 48 megapixel. We can see the photo quality details. Supports dual nano SIM card and one micro SD card. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's one Type-C USB cable and Europe adapter. 9V 2A 18W charger. A jet pin. You can see. Menu. Warranty certificate. Here's the menu. One piece silicone case. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We make it global sending. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. And also we support to deliver the phones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China.